Social distancing is a powerful weapon. A reminder from the governor tonight as the number of coronavirus cases in the U.S. tops 200,000. Thank you for watching this evening. I'm ANITA BLANTON. The Army Corps of Engineers is looking for alternate care sites throughout the Commonwealth, and Hampton Roads made the short list. We'll have more on that in a minute, but first, here's where things stand right now. According to the Virginia Department of Health, cases in the Commonwealth are up to almost 1,500. And the Chesapeake Health Department is reporting its first COVID-19 related death. In North Carolina, the number of cases are near 1,600. In the U.S., confirmed cases soared past 200,000. The Commonwealth could see a surge in cases sometime between late April and late May. And today, Governor Northam announced facilities in Hampton Roads could play a critical role if more bed space is needed. 10 News Side's Geena Arevalo joins us from Hampton with the details.
ANITA, Northam named the Hampton Roads Convention Center as one of a few possible emergency hospital sites across Virginia. We're also told state officials have been in contact with Naval Medical Center Portsmouth as another resource. The peak of the coronavirus pandemic hasn't hit Virginia yet, but Governor Northam isn't wasting any time.
My strategy has always been to plan for the worst and to hope for the best.
The State Department of Health says of the more than 1,400 cases, 305 patients have been hospitalized. Northam says if hospital beds run low, more could be set up inside the Hampton Roads Convention Center. State officials evaluated more than 40 sites and narrowed in on the convention center due to its central location in Hampton Roads and its accessibility to Riverside and Centera hospitals.
It hasn't been finalized, but there's another walkthrough that's scheduled, at which point they will probably make a final decision.
Hampton Mayor Donnie says the city is ready to open the facility as needed. With more than 344,000 square feet available, he estimates 200 hospital beds could be housed here, though a final number hasn't been determined just yet.
It was designed with the possibility of being an emergency shelter. It all rests with the governor and the recommendation that comes from his team.
State officials say military facilities like Naval Medical Center Portsmouth are another possible resource.
But they're also positioning themselves that in the event we need to ask for those additional resources, they're prepared to provide whatever services they can as well.
Northam is reminding the public, stay home unless you need to leave for an essential reason. He says the sooner we can put this health crisis behind us, the sooner our lives can get back to normal. Reporting in Hampton, Geena Arevalo, 10 on your side.